Hey, brother, have you been struggling to break free from your addiction to porn and masturbation? Well, if so, I have a free gift that I want to give you today. I want to give you some free accountability. For those of you guys that don't know me, my name is Frank Rich, and in the last 2+ years, myself and my team here at Rebuilt Recovery, we have helped over 3,000 men begin to take back control of their lives. And what we've identified is that quitting porn and rebuilding your life comes down to needing 3 things. There's 3 things you need in your recovery plan. If one is you need a plan. You actually need to know what it is you're going to do. What are you going to do today to keep you from returning back to pornography? And what are you going to do when you fully break free from this addiction? What is your life actually going to look like? You need some support, right? You need other men that are walking this walk and journey with you. But most importantly is you need some accountability. You know, one of the biggest things that makes a porn addiction so destructive and dangerous is the fact that it is so anonymous. You can go years, sometimes decades, of being caught up in this behavior without people knowing what's going on in your life. And that's why having accountability in your journey, in your walk, is so fundamentally important. So we want to give you some free accountability this week. Guys, so if you click that first link down there in the description box, or even down there in the first pinned comment below. So scroll underneath this video, right there in the first pinned comment, that's me. I want to give you a free month of Covenant Eyes software. For those of you guys who don't know what Covenant Eyes is, they are the leading accountability software in the world when it comes to helping men break free from porn addiction. For over 20 years now, they have been leading men, women, and children out of the depths of this addiction and into a life 100% free of pornography. And normally there's a cost associated with using something like this. And I think that cost is fully justified. But if you want to try it out, you want to take a test drive. Here at Rebuilt Recovery and at the Superhuman Life podcast, we've partnered with Covenant Eyes, and we're willing to take care of the first month for you absolutely free. So click that first link down there in the description box and use code SUPERHUMAN. Put code SUPERHUMAN in the checkout box, and it's going to give you 1 month absolutely free. Now, if you want a plan, because I said you need a plan, you need some support, and you need some accountability. So we're going to give you the accountability for free if you click that first pinned comment below. Underneath that link, though, is our guide, is our plan. It's the 7-step guide to living life without porn. So download the free ebook. And if you want some support, you want a community, underneath the 7-step guide, I'm going to link to a free Facebook group. So here, just by clicking on this video today, we've checked all 3 boxes for you. We've given you the free plan. Follow the 7-step guide. We've given you the free support. Come join us inside our free Facebook community. And we give you the accountability that you need. By clicking that link down there and pinned comment below, use code SUPERHUMAN. But guys, this channel and our mission here is to help men become better men by quitting porn and rebuilding their lives. And we're committed to helping 1 million men before 2025 take back control of their lives and become the men that they know they were created to be, and become the men the world needs them to be. So if you want to be a part of this journey with us, make sure to hit that subscribe button. But most importantly, if you're struggling in your walk, if you're struggling in your journey, you know you need a plan, you know you need some support, and you know you need some accountability. So check out Covenant Eyes, guys. Use code SUPERHUMAN to get your first free month of their software and begin to take back control of their life, of your life, and become the men that you know you're created to be. God bless you guys. We'll see you on the other side.